Welcome back to Bike Future, your go-to source for the latest in motorcycle news, reviews, and innovations. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX. Let's take a closer look at what this sport touring machine has to offer, from its design to performance and technology upgrades. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for their next dream bike, the Ninja 1100 SX is a bike you'll want to know about. Design and build. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX carries forward the bold and aggressive design language that the Ninja series is known for. With its sharp lines, aerodynamic bodywork, and muscular stance, it screams performance from every angle. The front end features a sleek twin LED headlight setup that not only looks futuristic but also improves visibility at night. Kawasaki has also used advanced materials to reduce weight while maintaining strength, making the Ninja 1100 SX agile yet sturdy for long-distance touring. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Ninja 1100 SX lies a powerful 1,100 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. This powertrain delivers exceptional performance, with peak power reaching up to 140 horsepower, making it a formidable contender in its class. The engine is paired with an updated 6-speed transmission that ensures smooth shifting whether you're cruising on highways or tackling twisty back roads. Kawasaki has also refined the engine's fueling and exhaust systems, improving both fuel efficiency and emissions. Technology and features. The 2025 Ninja 1100 SX is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance the rider experience. It comes with a comprehensive digital display, offering a range of information like speed, revs, fuel economy, and navigation data. The bike also features advanced rider assistance systems such as traction control, electronic cruise control, and multiple ride modes. This level of tech makes it ideal for both daily commuting and long-distance adventures. Suspension and handling. The Ninja 1100 SX's suspension is tuned for a balanced mix of comfort and performance. It comes equipped with an adjustable front fork and a rear monoshock, offering a smooth ride even over rough terrain. The bike's lightweight frame and finely tuned suspension allow it to handle corners with precision, while still offering a comfortable ride for longer trips. This makes it one of the best choices for riders looking for both sport and touring capabilities in one package. Safety and comfort. Kawasaki has placed a strong emphasis on rider safety and comfort. The Ninja 1100 SX features advanced braking systems with dual front discs and a rear disc, all integrated into an advanced ABS system. For comfort, the ergonomics are refined, providing a relaxed yet sporty riding position, whether you're in the saddle for a few hours or a few days. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1100 SX is a remarkable blend of performance, technology, and comfort. Wet.